I'm at 12, I took one step forward, I added 10, I'm at 22. If I needed to add 10 more, could I add 10 more here?
Yeah.
Is that what I should do?
Yes.
Now, if I'm not sure how to add 10 more, how can I figure out what number that is? Rukaya,
You can look at 33 and
33 and do what?
and
So I'm 33.
before, see before
So one number before 33 would be
32.
32. Quiet. 32. Does that fit into my pattern? Let's count. 20, 12, 22, 32, 42 is the blank box, 52. Do you think we did it the right way?
Yeah.
Very good. 33 is my number. Look at number 33. Okay, I'm going to be 33. Everybody ready? I need to take away 10. Minus 10 or 10 less. What's 10 less than 33? What's 10 less than 33? I'm going to give you a clue. Look at the number in the tens place. It is the only number that's going to change. Hussein? 23. Hussein, if I had to count by one, this is 22, 23. Does that make sense? So I have two ways I can check. Good. Okay, go ahead and get a Kleenex. Now, I'm at 33. Am I going to add one or take away one? Add one. Hello. Oh, happy birthday. Oops. Thank you. Happy birthday. I'm at 33 and I need to go one this way. Am I going to add one or take away one? I am at 33. I'm going this way. Am I adding? Add one, Michael. What am I going to put there?
34.
34. Okay. I have 52. The box before 52, is that the number before 52 or after 52?
Before.
Before. Faith, what number is going to go in that box?
41.
41? The number's 52. One less than 52. 51. Now I have a blank box. I want everybody to close their eyes and think. Think with me, Marty. I have a blank box above 51. Am I going to add 10 or take away 10? If you think I'm going to add 10, give me a thumbs up. Okay. If you think I'm going to take away 10, give me a thumbs up. Very good. If I take away 10 from 51, what number am I going to be at, Deanna? Landon, pay attention, please. Remember, the only number that I'm going to change is the number in the tens place because I'm counting by tens. So if I'm going to take away 10, what number do you think that's going to be? Very good, 41. Because I only changed the number in the tens place. So knowing your place value, ones, tens, and hundreds is going to be very important when we do these kinds of charts. Who can tell me what this number might be? Without, I'm not going to give you a clue this time. Cameron. 43. Cameron, can you explain how you got 43? Excellent. So you counted from 41. Did anybody come up with 43 a different way? Marty. Cameron counted by one. Is there another way you could do it? That's still counting by ones. Ramsey, any other way can we count? Down. How? But if I'm counting down, am I going by 1 or 10? And am I adding 10 or taking away 10? Adding. Very good. Well, let's count. Now I'm going to add some 10s. 14, 24 is the blank box. 34, 44 is the blank box. What's the next number? Jawad?
54.
Excellent. 54. I'm at 15. I'm going to count by 10s because I'm going to go down. I'm going to go down by 10. So if I'm at 15, what number am I going to be at? Ahmed. 25. Very good, Ahmed. Ahmed, can you tell me what tool you used? Did you use a tool on your desk, or did you take it from did you know it by memory? By memory, very good. Was there a tool on your desk that you could use if you weren't sure?
Number grid.
Oh, Ahmed, what tool could you use? The number grid, good. So 15, count with me, 25, 35, 45.
55.
I'm going to count by ones now. I'm going this way. Am I going to add one, or am I going to take away one? Marty, plus one. Marty, what's the next number in my box?
56.
56. Okay, I have one box above 56. Rukaya,
46.
46. Good. Good. Can anybody finish the top line for me? Finish the top line. Marty, what number is missing in that top line?
17.
Very good, Marty. So you gave each box the value of?
1.
Very good. Marty, what's going to be this one? So this is 17, 20, this would be 27, the blank box. What would be the box under 27? If you had to add, how many are you adding? Plus how many? Plus 10. So if I'm at 17, 27, then what? 37. Very good. Anybody want to try this one? The blank box next to 37 in the same row as 37. Landon. This would be 38. What would this one be?
39.
Very good.
I'm getting very good at this.
You're getting very good at this. You're all becoming experts. Hussein, can you fill in our last column?
2 left.
We have 2 more boxes left. If I started at 20, what am I counting by? 10. So this would be 20.
30, 40, 50, 60.
Very good. Now, let me ask you something. If I were to use this and put thousands up there, if I were to go up there and start with like 1001, and I said, fill in the blanks. If I went down on my graph 1, how many am I adding? If I went up on the graph, I would be taking away.
10.
If I went this way on the graph, I would be adding.
1.
And if I went this way, I would be.
Minus 1.
Does it matter what number it's on there? What place value are you always looking at? Is that tens place? Look, it's always going to be the tens place. The tens place. You see that? The tens place. You're always looking at the tens place. When you're going up and down, you're changing the tens. If you're going left to right or right to left, what are you changing? The tens or the ones? The ones. So if you're going up and down, you're going to change which place?
10.
And if you're going left to right, which way are you going?
1.
One. Is this important?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, the reason why you need to understand this is because it's going to lead to counting numbers all the time. Remember, what did we say about, what did we build on? We always build on, we talked about building a porch, didn't we?
Yeah.
What is the first thing we need if we're going to build a porch? We need the
Cement.
cement. But what do we call that cement? Starts with an F.
Foundation.
Foundation. Good. This is going to be the foundation to this unit. Being able to count and using the graph is going to be the foundation in the unit that we're learning. Does anybody have any questions about this? Yes? No? So now do you remember this?
Yeah.
So should it not matter how big the number is? If you're going up and down, what number is going to change? The tens. We're working in the number 300. Would it be the first number, the second number, or the third number? Zainab. Let's remind ourselves. In the number 361, which number is in the ones place? Mari.
One.
1. So these are ones. What's the 6? What's the 6, Ramsey? The 10s. Well, what about the 3? We haven't talked about the 3. What is the 3? Rukaya.
100.
100.
Hundreds isn't a big word.
Before you know it, we'll be also talking about thousands, 100,000s, and millions. Right now, we're going to focus on these. When we're reading the number grid, we're working in tens and ones. We are not worried about the hundreds. We are not worried about the thousands. Concentrate on the tens when you're adding 10 and taking away 10. And concentrate on the ones when you're adding 1 and taking away 1. Okay? All right. Now I want you to listen clearly.